When you pass a rental portfolio down to your kids when you pass away, you're making them personally liable for any tenant lawsuits that are coming after any of those rental properties. The reason being is that any tenant lawsuits coming after the rental property is coming after the owner of that rental property, which would be your kids when they take over the inheritance. And so that tenant lawsuit could wipe out their personal assets like the home that they and their kids live in, their investment accounts, checking, savings, whatever it might be. Any assets in their name are susceptible to the lawsuit coming after that rental property. And so there's a couple different ways that you can structure it and still give it to them without making them personally liable for any lawsuits coming after that rental portfolio. The first one is going to be you can put the rental properties inside of an LLC and then pass the LLC down to your kids. Another one is going to be that you can put the properties inside the LLC and then put the LLC membership interest inside of a revocable trust. The first option, it will have to go through the probate process. When it's inside the revocable trust, it will avoid the probate process altogether. And then either you can keep the rental or the LLC membership interest inside the revocable trust or distribute it out to them into their personal name. But either way, any tenant lawsuits coming after the rental property will be isolated to the LLC if it's managed correctly. That way your children or the assets inside the revocable trust will have asset protection from that tenant lawsuit.